What's up YouTube? This is BC Investing. There's a 100k challenge, and yeah, so if we go to Wealthsimple, so currently we are sitting at 55.83, and if you look right here, we'll be we were at 5400, so we should be up $100 or so. I don't know why I'm saying negative, but just reverse that. Before we get started, just a little intro. I keep forgetting to do these things. So we're doing a 1k to 100k challenge. Now there is no set time, like a target date that we want to hit it, because I can't guarantee that we're going to hit it. So we'll just go as the market, where the market takes us. What we will be doing is staying in very high growth stocks. Well, in terms of what I think will be high growth, now of course these may not be high growth for you. You could be looking at some really risky plays, and they might just hit like 300-400% in a few days, few weeks. So very different definitions. For me, I think crypto miners are going to do really good. Within this year, they should at least double, triple. So let's see. And then Census, it's taken a bit of a hit. Let's see. Minus 10. Honestly, company hasn't changed. We still have really good future here. Like, the product is solid, FDA cleared. Like, it's just investors' sentiment. People just, the impatient people just selling pretty much. Well, outselling the buyers at least. And you see this trend here. It is on a downward trend. The company hasn't changed. It is a good buying opportunity. So if I add more money, I'll buy some. It looks like it might still go down more. So great chance to pick up some more shares here. So let's see. And yeah, so goal is to reach 100k, and then from there we'll set a new target at 1 million. And so we'll go 10x, and of course, we don't know how long that's gonna take to 1 million, and then from 1 million to like 10 million. We'll see how long that takes. By that time, I'm most likely, like, if I reach 50k plus, I'm gonna focus more on Canadian stocks, because with American stocks I'm gonna have to end up paying like a lot of fees just on the currency exchange rate. So, and by a lot I mean like maybe $300, $400, $500. It's a lot. I don't want to pay that much fees and then just lose out on the gains just from there. I'd rather buy it in my other portfolio brokerage, where I pay $6.95 flat rate per transaction. Doesn't matter the size of the share, how many shares I buy. So, and there are some risky plays that I want to get into as well. Really penny stock, like under 10 cents kind of stocks. These are kind of like safer if you compare this to like those stocks. So, and yeah, let's see. So Bingo was kind of recovered a little bit, like I was expecting. Honestly, like with the announcement of the presentation, they don't really jump much. It used to, like a few percentage, like 2-3. Now it just seems like in general the genomic stocks taking a hit, and they have recovered. Some of them have recovered here. Let's see. So with Bingo, I might have to adjust my price target, because the price action is really slow. It looks like we've consolidated around 7, between 8 to 7. So I don't know. It's going to be tough to get to $15 within a few months. Now, of course, I could be wrong. I mean, it might just start popping off, get more traction with it, but seems unlikely. And still, like, the company is still really good. Like, nothing has changed. There's no bad things about it. Still a really good product, and long term, really, really solid. Let's see. So, Marathon Digital. No, we don't own Marathon. So, well, at least in this in the challenge video. So we won't get into that. Let's see. So, I think we had some news with HUT. Let's get into HUT. HUT announced a change to senior management. So, okay. So they changed their senior management and saw a little bit of boost here. They went up 7. That means Riot is okay. Riot fell down to 2%. I think Riot also had a news about they acquired One-Stone, creating a US-based industry leader in Bitcoin mining. We'll see about the leader part. I don't know. It looks like Marathon is the leader, to me at least for now. Okay. So you see the manufacturer Canaan, they're up 1.6%. I think Bitcoin was up like 2% to 3% today. It hit a high of 58,000. And today's opening was around around 57. Yeah, so not much movement here. I wanted to build a solid sideways base so we can just rock it up, but we'll see how that goes. Okay, it broke the resistance here. I mean, although it is a 5-minute chart, but let's see. So I went up all the way to 20, almost coming close to the highs. The 52, not even the 52 week, just all-time highs. So we're looking at 21.53 here, and it's currently sitting at 20.54-ish. So just $100 shy. So that's $100 is about 3-4%, looks like. So yeah, really good opportunity there with Hive. We'll get into Hive because Ethereum was up. So okay, 2.5 didn't take much. Yeah, I didn't lift off as I was hoping. Let's see. Bitfarms, no news, and minus. Interesting. All the other, except for DGHI, all the other ones are, all the other crypto stocks are up on Bitcoin being up. Digihost is down 2%, so that's 4 cents. So this announcement of 25 million Canadian private placement should be closed tomorrow. I think they said it right here, right? So they expect to close on or about April 9th. So this is pretty quick. Usually they take like a week and a half, 2 weeks to close the deal. Now it's just like they're, functioning like a big firm. Yeah, so let's see. Bingo. All right, we talked about Ascensus. GoEV was a stock that I recommended. Well, no, I don't want to say recommended, but that I was talking about. That I told you guys to put in your watch list. It did take a hit. I think right after I said it, when I bought it around 1930ish, it did go down because of the lawsuits and stuff. Don't mind those. I mean, those happen pretty often if you're new to the stock market or investment world. Let's see. So it went all the way down to about 808. That was a good buying opportunity right there. So now it's kind of just recovered all the way up to 1033. So I'm up like $1 per share. Yeah, so that's pretty good. So we're above 10%. Yeah. Like I said, this it's a really good long-term hold. Canoe, GoEV, CCIV, Lucid. That's also a good long-term hold. Yeah. So let's see. I don't see the big boys. One island. Yeah. Okay, so HUT. We'll go with the OTC ticker. I want to see who holds. Okay, only Amplify. Okay. So that was Canoe. Let's see. Galaxy. I was saying I was gonna pick up, but it just shot up right after hours already. So there was no way I could pick up at $25. This drop. This is ridiculous. Okay, this drop was like all the way down to 25-ish. Wow, just shot right back up. It's like, we're not about that life. We don't deserve it to be down all the way down there. And it just shot right back up. So also keep an eye on Voyager. Canadian. It's a lot of good Canadian crypto stocks that are coming out. I mean, that's amazing. Just gotta be careful for the fraudsters. Do your research on those. There's a reason why I'm hesitant on getting under 50 cent Canadian, not even Canadian, just crypto stocks in general. Yeah. Let's see. That was that. And yeah, so I haven't picked up any shares aside from DigiHost. Hindsight, I mean, I could have bought Galaxy at $25. I think I'll pick up Galaxy next, and then Mogo. So this is going to be looking like more like a crypto challenge. Not intentional. I mean, I could buy some Canadian dividend stocks. To me, like for those of you who are interested in dividend stocks as well, I like where'd it go? I'm forgetting the name. There's AT&T. It's no, it was not AT&T. It was TELUS. They have the same ticker. That's why. TELUS. Yeah, T.TO. Yeah, so they have the same ticker, T. It's a Canadian mobile service, pretty much communication service. 78,000 employees. It's a pretty big company. Their dividend is about 4.86%, 1.24 annually. And if we look at the historical data, we'll see when they dish out the dividends. So March 10. And I just want to see if it's quarterly, annually. So okay, it's quarterly. So quarterly, 31 cents. So that's pretty good. 5. There's another REITs that I like. Okay, I just want to get into the REIT that I know as, let's see, REITs. Okay, I have a watch list here, so for dividend stocks. Right, so this one. This is a Northwest Healthcare Properties real estate. It's pretty much all over the world. Brazil, I think they have Brazil, and like there's so many healthcare, like hospitals. Let's see their portfolio. So Canada, Germany, Brazil, Australia, New Zealand, Netherlands. So it looks pretty good to me. In Canada, they own a lot of properties like Western Portfolio, Ontario, Quebec, Atlantic, tenant service, and then acquisitions. So they're also looking to add on to their property list portfolio. Let's see. Germany, they have a few locations there. Brazil, Sao Paulo. Look at the hospitals they own. In Ontario, I'm familiar with the Bathurst Health Center. That's in downtown Toronto. So Bathurst and Dundas. Dundas Center Medical. Keep in mind, I'm not familiar with all the hospitals in Toronto. So of course I'm gonna miss some of them. Let's see. West Toronto Healthcare. Queenston. I'm not sure about that one. Let's see. Queensway. Okay, I think I'm just going to stop it right there. But you get the idea. They own a lot of healthcare properties. And I think you know that in times like this, and pretty much in general, hospitals with the COVID pandemic, you get the idea. I don't think healthcare properties are going anywhere. Pretty much they just, unless they add more, that's about it. I mean, you rarely see them like getting sold off, or like pretty much closing the hospitals down. So their dividend is really good, 6.17 at 80 cents per. Okay, that doesn't sound that great, but look at the stock price. It's only 13.19, and the price movement is let's see, is really solid. If you look at the month, the 2 months starting with February, we took the hit, and then boom, it's already recovered from the current down market. Yeah, it's already recovered. Let's see, 1 year since the pandemic started, $9 to like $13. So that's what, $4 and change. So that's like 40%. No, 9.4, yeah, about 40-ish. Let's see, and you can look at the historical data. Look at when they pay dividends. So it says 6 cents. So most likely they paid out monthly. Yeah, looks like monthly. So January, every 28th, is it? No, not every 28th, but close to the end of the month. Let's just, say that. Close to the end of the month, they pay out dividend at 6.7 cents. 6 cents. Yeah, 6 cents. Let's see who holds these stocks. Look at this. Now, it's not a high value, but still, BlackRock Fund, Vanguard, ex-US real estate, pretty much REITs fund. iShare REITs. REITs is a real estate trust, pretty much, investment in real estate. And let's see, so yeah, I really like this. I just found out about it a couple weeks ago, and if I were to invest in REITs, I would pick this up. It's a really good 6.66% dividend yield is really good. Like, people consider 4+ pretty good. I consider like 5 or 6% plus pretty good, and there's not that many of them. So yeah, let's see. So I think this one, and then let's just go back to my dividend. Right, Enbridge.to. Enbridge is also pretty good. 7.2% yield, $3.34. So this is Canadian price. Enbridge also has a US. I think it's a NASDAQ. No, okay, New York Stock Exchange. And the price action is pretty solid. If you look at the 6 month, they're up $10 on 30. So that's about what, 30%? 30 to 40%. So that's pretty good. They also pay out, no, not conversations, historical data. They pay out February 11. Okay. Quarterly, kind of. They pay in the mid quarterly. So instead of paying at the end of the quarter, they pay out mid quarter. So then the next one should be what, March, April, May. So in May, when they have their earnings date. So that's going to be interesting. But Enbridge is it's a supply gas and oil and gas midstream. Okay, energy company. So let's see, 11,000 employees. Well, I thought it'd be more than that, but revenue is pretty good. Okay, this challenge video is getting way off topic, but yeah, those are 2 or 3 really good REITs to consider I mean, not REITs, dividend investment to consider purchasing if that's your style. So yeah, I might add a dividend stock just for the heck of it, you know, just I might add the Ambridge or North, I forget the name, let's see, Northwest Healthcare Properties. Yeah, real estate investment trust. Okay. Bitcoin. Okay, just close through these quick. 31 cents kind of down a little bit, but not bad. Yeah. Let's see. Difficulty increased a little bit here with the Ethereum. Market cap looks good. And yeah, it's still looking good. Okay, XRP is taking off. It was at a couple of months ago. It was at 34 cents. Now it's at $1 plus. So Dogecoin, 6 cents. Okay. Okay. And let's see. Miners. No. Look at our crypto mining. I did update the Riot one. We're looking at. I've calculated it, and Q4 they should be at 4.6 exahash and 7.7 by Q4 2022. So, okay, I think I forgot to do the Mara one here, so I'll do that. That's kind of tricky to do with Mara because I don't know like the exact figure. So, I guess I'll have to do an approximate figure with these, with the ones here. So, with the delivery schedule ones. And so we should see more of DigiHost. They should come out with a purchase order soon. They just had that private 25 mil private placement. It's only Canadian dollars though, so I don't know why they didn't. It's kind of low. If you're doing US dollars, maybe you could have afforded more. But yeah, anyways. It's getting way too long, so thank you for watching, and I mean, please feel free to like and subscribe. If you want to use Wealthsimple, please check out the link in the description below. They have a quick $250 deposit. If you deposit $250, you get to trade with it right away, so that's pretty cool. I know it's not a lot of money, but the Canadian stock market purchases are commission free here, so, and yeah, I think, like I said before, if you have a friend who uses Wealthsimple, please use theirs. I just want you guys to take advantage of Wealthsimple's free commission, Canadian stocks at least. Yeah, and thank you for watching, and see you in the next one. Peace.